Hello Zinglishers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about idioms. There are many idioms in the English language, but in my opinion, there are a lot of them we just don't use. The very famous one being, "It's raining cats and dogs." If you ever go to England or an English-speaking country, you will never hear a native using this expression. It is what you typically find in school textbooks and English learning books. Here are 5 idioms we actually use and that you can start using too to make your English even better. Break a leg. This means good luck. I have an exam today. It's at 12 o'clock. I hope I will do all right. Yeah, that's right. I forgot. Break a leg. You're going to do great. Listen and repeat. Break a leg. Break a leg. I'm going for a job interview on Monday. Break a leg. Don't stress about it. Listen and repeat. Break a leg. Break a leg. Speak of the devil. This means that the person you are just talking about actually appears at that moment. So, I heard Carol went on holiday last week. Oh, speak of the devil. There you are, Carol. Listen and repeat. Speak of the devil. Speak of the devil. When pigs fly. This means something that will never happen. I will stop eating chocolates from now on. It's too much sugar for me. Yeah, right. When pigs fly. You love chocolate. You won't ever be able to do it. Listen and repeat. When pigs fly. When pigs fly. Do you think I can finish my homework in 10 minutes? Yeah. When pigs fly. Listen and repeat. When pigs fly. When pigs fly. Call it a day. This means you stop working on something. Right, John, let's call it a day. It's 5 o'clock and it's time to go home. Listen and repeat. Call it a day. Call it a day. A piece of cake. Something that is very easy. The exam was a piece of cake. I think I did really well. Listen and repeat. A piece of cake. A piece of cake. To feel under the weather. This means you're not feeling too well. I really feel under the weather today. I don't think I will go to the party this afternoon. Listen and repeat. To feel under the weather. To feel under the weather. Right, guys, that's it for today's episode about commonly used idioms that we actually use everyday life. Here's a little challenge for you before you go. Which idiom should I use to complete my sentence? Can you help me? My karate competition went really well. It was A. Feeling under the weather. B. A piece of cake. Do you have the answer?